Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 30th day of September 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's the trade taken in the room today by myself and others live in the room. We're going to use one of our favorite indicators, our strong candle indicator. And as long as you don't have anything in the way, this is an amazing one. Notice we have multiple failures down here. We turn around and get a strong candle going in the opposite direction, and we're going to jump all over that. After multiple failures, you get the first strong candle going in the opposite direction. It's brilliant. And you may say, well, Fred, what about this strong candle going short? And well, you notice we've failed four times here already. What we always do is wait for a retrace on the candles. So this started here, made a move down, and then went long. So our order for the short here would be underneath the current candle. And you'll notice we never got picked up on that trade, and the market just turned around and gave us a strong candle going in the opposite direction. So we were never in this trade going short. And then we get a strong candle going in the opposite direction after multiple failures. That is an amazing signal right there. So we're going to follow this since this one never took off and we immediately got one in going in the opposite direction. This is an amazing signal. We look over at the PVI, pretty good movement today. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 60 and 80 ticks in length. So we're going to pair our ATM to that. We're going to use 16 tick first targets just to de-risk the trade. And then we're going to have runners of 30s and 90s on this one. Here we go. This is just getting started going in the opposite direction. We expect a pretty nice move off of this. So here goes our buy order. The market's already gone short, so we're going to go ahead and put it right. It actually gapped it down, so we can go ahead and put our order. We don't have to start with a cover order. We can start it right on the body of the candle. And this is how it all went down. Okay. As soon as we get picked up, we put our stop where it belongs under the most recent failure point, and then we go for it. We'll speed it up just a little bit. This goes pretty quickly anyway. Once everybody in the world sees this failure and this strong candle going in the opposite way, everybody's going to pile on now. And this should and does go very, very well. Again, this is only two times the market speed. All right, it's a 90 tick target. It's going to take some time to get there. And for some reason, my clock is very, very staggering. So we'll have to see what's going on with that. But it's taking its good old time doing what it's doing. It's supposed to be four times speed, and I guess it is. Trying to get to that 90 tick target. Now, most people will follow this up, maybe up to this moving average here and say, well, if this fails at this level and comes back, I don't want to get nothing out of it. But here we go. We got 90s. That trade took just about 5 minutes to complete and was worth 760 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 760 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. Amazing education, amazing live trading rooms. We also have a Euro Open room, and we're working on an US Open room as well. So come and check us out at samuraidaytrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator you can't find anywhere else, and will quicken your trading skills immensely. So come and join us next time. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.